Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to do the meta tag search for YouTube. So if you're in YouTube, right, and you go to, so if you're in a video and you want to edit your video, right, and you go to the section where you put in your meta tags. So what happened was I was using the meta tag SEO. So here's a better way to web. For some reason it stopped working, so let's try it. Japanese game, and nothing comes up. Okay, there's nothing there. So this happened, and I had to find another way to do this method. This here is Google Adwords. So if you're in Google Adwords, at the top of the menu you'll see Tools, and you click on Tools, and you go to Keyword Planner. Search for new keywords using a phrase or website category. Let's try Japanese game here. And then that's all I'm going to type. There's all this other stuff you could probably fill in if you wanted to. And I'm going to click Get Ideas. So I click Get Ideas, and just like the meta tag generator from before, you get all of these keywords, and they're unique. They're not all the same. So there was another one I was using, and they all had like the same first word. These are all different. The reason I say this may be even more powerful is because while you're in this thing, you can sort like this search with. Let me see if I can make this bigger. For some reason, I don't know why it's so small. 100. Okay, so you can sort by average monthly searches. And this one right here gets 110,000 average monthly services. So this tool, if you think about it, it's a lot more powerful than that Better Way to Web. I don't know if it's using the same engine, but I doubt it. So, I mean, you could do this however you want. If you want to get technical and just take all the top searches, that's up to you. I'll show you. If I take all these, and I just copy them all down the list, and I copy all these. I'm holding Control, by the way. Hold Control and then click, and then drag down, and it'll select these like that. So then I'm going to press Control C, which is copy, and I'll go back to my video here with the tags, and if I hit Control V, we have a problem. It just smashes it all into one little tag, and that's not what you want. It's not going to work. So here's the workaround for that. And don't worry, you don't got to put commas in between all of them. That would take forever, and I wouldn't even do it. So if I go over here, this is just Microsoft Excel, right? If I go over to Microsoft Excel, because I use the Control key and drag down to do a straight row, when I come into Microsoft Excel and I press Control V, which is paste, and I paste it, you can see it just lined them all up there. And here's how you get your commas after each one. You just put a comma in the cell right there after the first one. Then you grab the lower right corner of it, just left click on it, and then drag it down, and then take it down to the last block there, release. It automatically copies it. If it doesn't automatically copy it for whatever reason, just click on this little thing and click copy. And then you have commas after everything now. You select it, select this row, right? I'm just going to show you this way. Select this row plus the row next to it, like that. Now press Control C, like that, and it has these little lines in it. Don't close this window yet. Leave it open and just minimize it. Now you're back in your YouTube meta tag. So before I pressed Control V, which is paste, and it made one block. Now if I press Control V, it makes all those blocks, copies everything over, because it's putting a comma after each one. Very powerful, very quick and easy, perhaps even more powerful than Better Way to Web. So I hope you find this useful. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.